This is the Bacon Western Cheeseburger. Right here, homemade. We have our hamburger, our deep fried onion rings, and our bacon. Are you ready? Come on. Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm in a hammock chilling out after the e-camping, and I just wanted to say a couple things and say that e-camping was probably the most fun I've had in a month because, to tell you the truth, I got to hang out with you guys and pretty much pretend we were camping, and it was so much fun, and I'm so happy for all those people who joined, and the campfire was just incredible, led by me and Tom, and it was just really, really good. And we got to see Hadrian leading a one-man skit, and Ryan telling a story, and Tom telling a story, and I led some scouts and singing, and it was just really, really fun, and I really, really enjoyed it. And I just wanted to say that, yes, that was probably one of the funnest things I've done, but also, this is probably the first time that I've really been sad that scouting has stopped, and it's hard that scouting is kind of stopped, and we can't really go on real outings, and we can't have real meetings, and it's sad. And now that I had this not really real camp out, we didn't actually get to meet in person, and now I have to go back to school and quarantine, and it's hard. And I just wanted to encourage you guys that look at this and be happy and realize how fun it was, and realize that we got to move forward and continue on as great scouts, and remember that scout motto and that scout law, that a scout is trustworthy, loyal, helpful, friendly, courteous, kind, obedient, cheerful, thrifty, brave, clean, and reverent. And that scout oath that you say, on my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country, to obey the scout law, to help other people at all times, keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. And I encourage you guys to keep doing that. Even though sometimes it's hard, and sometimes it's really hard in quarantine when you want to just go outside and cook a marshmallow, but you have to keep fighting and do your schoolwork, and it's kind of hard being in quarantine without your friends around, but I encourage you guys to keep moving, keep having fun. That's it. Thank you so much, guys.